NBA prize picks for Friday, June 14th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. It's game 4 of the NBA Finals, potentially last day of NBA. So got to throw a video together. It's also Flex Friday on prize picks. So I got 5 plays for you as we take a free shot at 10x. Hit that like button. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. I'll let you compare prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Play number 1, we're going to go Luka Doncic, more than 9 rebounds. The over 9.5, minus 103 total, minus 104 on Caesars. It's basically a pick 'em over at FanDuel. We get a free push on 9. He's been over 4 of his last 5 games, 2 of the 3 games in this series. Obviously, I think he's going to be out there a ton today. 9.15 on the projection model. So projection model just kind of shading him over, but I like the over. I'm going to roll with the tool here. Go over to Prize Picks, find Luka Doncic. If I could spell his name, that would be a great start. And it is one of the more popular plays on the board. 3.1 thousand people have already played Luka Doncic on the over. I'm going to go ahead and jump on board right there. That is play number 1. Back on over to the tool. Before we do that, I'm going to go full screen and tell you that to join DFS Army, get access to that tool, get in all the plays with the tracker over there on this side of me, right there. Make sure you check out the tracker. Big last 3, 7, 30 days. YouTube, I can't lie, guys. We have been cold. Going to keep plugging at it. Inside the Discord is where it's at. There's plenty of ways to get free access, trial access, week access. Check out the links down below. Join us in there. Get in on some of the winning. For now, though, I got to find the right button to go back to the Proptimizer. Let's roll along here. Play number 2, Al Horford, less than 7 rebounds. Current lines. Minus, to pick them on FanDuel, minus for 6.5. A little bit of juice on BetMGM, which is why this is bumped up to 7. I still think there's value on being under 7 with the lines where they are for the 6.5 prop. We're projecting them at 6.62. So the projection model obviously has us in pretty good shape here. Last 5 games, he's not cleared 7 rebounds yet in this series. And he's only done it 1 of his last 5 games. That was against Indiana. So projection is low. Form is good. I think we get good odds value here. Head back on over to Prize Picks. And we're going to load up Al Horford, less than 7 rebounds as play number 2. That's how easy this tool can make it. Play number 3, we're going to go Derrick White. We're going to rebounds again, but we're going to go over now. More than 4 rebounds for Derrick White. I will say this is probably one of the plays I like most on the board. Projection model 4.71, healthy projection over. Your lines are right here. Obviously, there's juice on the under 4.5. We get the push on 4. Last 10 games, 6 wins, 2 losses, 2 pushes. Would have only chalked this 2 times in his last 10 games. Back-to-back games, he's made it 2 of the 3 in so far in this series. I do like Derrick White to go over 4 rebounds. And it's fine that we got both 2 Celtics on rebound props, obviously, because one is on the under in Al Horford and one's on the over in Derrick White. So nothing really to worry about there. Head back on over to the Proptimizer. We'll scroll down. We need a 4th play. We're going to go PJ Washington, more than 14.5 points and assists. Line at minus 135 on BetMGM, a little bit lower on DraftKings, but composite odds of minus 129, which is just fine for a 5 pick. 15.77 on the projection model, and he's been over every game so far in the series, 3 of the last 5, but more importantly, every game against Boston. Again, I don't think there's going to be less minutes going around tonight, so I'm on board here with PJ Washington, more than 14.5 points plus assists. Make sure you find the right prop here. PJ Washington, got the popular play, the fire emoji for the points prop. We're going to go points plus assists, still pretty similar. So if you're into the popular play, the wisdom of masses, PJ Washington involving points on the over does look pretty good. Play number 5, we'll round out what we're looking for 10x. White is one of my favorite plays. Pritchard, probably the sketchiest. Was getting a little hard to find that last play here because we only have 1 game to choose from, which is why I haven't really been attacking NBA that much. But we're going to go Payton Pritchard, more than 0.5 3-pointers made. He's made 3 in 7 of the last 10 games. Only 1 so far in this series against Dallas. Looking for him to bounce back here. He can make 3s. Line minus 131 Caesars, minus 130 at BetMGM. Projection model really likes it. That kind of pushed me over the edge. Well, the odds were okay. Form is okay. Hasn't done a lot this series. 0.79 is pretty high in the model for a 0.5 prop. I'm going to go ahead and take it and roll with it, and hopefully Payton Pritchard gets a few shots off. Can drain one here as the Celtics look for the 4-game sweep for the NBA championship clinching game. That's what we have for today. 5 picks for you in just about 5 minutes. If you didn't already, hit the like button. Check out the links below. Get on Prizepicks Underdog Sleeper, your deposit matches, and here's your recap. Luka Doncic, more than 9 rebounds. Al Horford, less. Al Horford, less than 7 rebounds. Derrick White, more than 4 rebounds. PJ Washington, more than 14.5 points plus assists. And Payton Pritchard, more than 0.5 3-pointers made. Go ahead, hit the submit button. Prizepicks takes a second, locks it in. That's what we got for today. We go full screen. 5 plays for Flex Friday. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed tonight's game. Just as a basketball fan, I wanted to be another game, and a sweep series would be a little bit boring. But honestly, as long as the ticket cashes, I'm okay either way. So that's what we got. Here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.